Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shaper 3D, and more to come. This video covers Drawing 1 in Autodesk Fusion. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Fusion on your computer. Start a new sketch and place it on the front plane. This will automatically rotate your view to the front, as shown by the cube in the top right corner. Use the circle tool to draw a circle on the y-axis. Set the diameter to 40 millimeters. Draw a second circle, centered on the first one, and set its diameter to 60 millimeters. Next, go to Create and select the Dimension tool. Select the center of the circle, then select the origin point. Set this dimension to 60 millimeters. Now select the Line tool. Start on the left side of the circle. Draw a line down to the x-axis, then to the right, up, to the right again, down, and to the right once more. Finish the line by connecting it back to the circle. Select the line on the right and the outer circle. Go to Constraints and set them to Tangent. Select the line again and make it vertical. Perfect. Now use the Dimension tool to set the remaining values. Set this horizontal line to 20 millimeters. Set the vertical line to 8 millimeters. To center this cutout, select the vertical line and the origin point. Enter 10 millimeters, or select the 20 millimeter dimension, and type divided by 2. Fusion will calculate it for you. Well done. Now use the Trim tool to remove the lower part of the outer circle. Perfect. The sketch is now complete. Click Finish Sketch. You can rotate the view using your mouse, or the cube in the top right corner. Next, use the Extrude tool. Select the contour, and enter 7 millimeters. Perfect. Now select Sketch again, and place it on the front face of the body. Draw a rectangle. Go to Create and select the Dimension tool. Set the vertical line to 12 millimeters. Set the horizontal line to 30 millimeters. Set the distance from the lower line to the origin to 14 millimeters. To center the rectangle, select the vertical line and the origin point. Enter 15 millimeters, or select the 30 millimeter dimension, and type divided by 2. Now click Finish Sketch. Rotate the view. Select Extrude, and pull the arrow through the body. This will automatically set the operation to cut. Well done. Your model is now complete. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you finish them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.